pH and DO. Okay. During the operation, what you are going to control?
Not actually monitor the actually his concern is
monitoring.
His concern is ORP in anoxic tank because ORP measures the anoxicity of, you can layman, you can say that anoxic condition in the anoxic tank. If ORP is very high, means your nitrate is not denitrified.
Yeah, but we have lab obviously. We have another analysis. We have lab equipment.
Lab analysis is done once in lab analysis is done.
Important major you are not understanding.
What is very cheap? What is very cheap?
Okay, we will see Engineer Anwar, but usually in all the plants, because this is we discussed with MIMCO, the supplier of the.
Talking about MIMCO.
Okay.
MIMCO is not
No, wait.
NBR. They are concerned about NBR, not related to denitrification.
See, exactly. As the operational or control, there is no link. Now, to check the performance of that one, we have lab equipment. Anyhow, we will discuss that one later. We will come back to this point.
This point there.
Yeah, Ahmed, one more point. See, we can take the credit of lab analysis. So what is the interval of lab analysis? You are doing every 4 hours, every 8 hours, once in a
It is a scale for analysis.
You cannot do this taking over, taking for denitrification to lab.
We cannot do it. Huh?
He cannot do it.
So let us take one recommendation.
And recommendation. This is-
Okay, so
this point, we will come back to this engineer one. We will come back to this point. But
Okay.
keep it now open.
okay.
Lab analysis is based on grab sample or
Yes, sir.
composite 12 hours.
This is morning.
Composite 12 hours, no?
Exactly.
Okay, point.
Imran, tell me what you want to recommendation. I will.
Or requirement of